In Brighton, trying to have their voices heard as the town looks to do away with its swimming pool. This pool on Elmwood Avenue in Brighton may soon look very different. The town is looking to replace it with a splash pad. Brighton's town supervisor saying the pool has seen its better days and the price tag to fix it is too hefty.
The pool is over 35 years old. The pool is on its last legs. It's in very rough condition, and it would take a significant amount of money to rehabilitate it, and even that would just be a Band-Aid.
But some in the town say they've seen no facts presented by the town to prove this.
I can tell you that there have been no feasibility studies and no cost studies done. There were no surveys, there was no public input, no research at all for what the cost is, so I'm not sure where he's coming up with these numbers.
The town of Brighton saying the pool is harder for people with mobility issues to use, with the splash pad being more accessible. The ongoing lifeguard shortage also playing a role in the pool's closing.
Our lifeguards are high school and college students. They go back to school, and we can no longer operate the pool. One of the advantages of a splash pad is it doesn't need to be staffed.
However, others in Brighton say that there are plenty of people eager to help out.
We know of kids who are going to be graduating high school who want to be lifeguards.
The town supervisor says the town is looking for a pool down the road at a larger community center. In his State of the Town address back in February, he says the splash pad looks to be installed by either late 2024 or 2025.